Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're going to be drawing a special Jack Skellington Halloween Squishmallow. We're going to get started right away. We're going to do the full body. So we're going to start from this side and go up and down for the top. And then for the rest of the body we're going to go down, across, back up to meet the body, like so. And the outfit is going to be straight in the middle, but then we're going to actually add some details before you draw the outfit. So right on the center of the body, a little lower, we're going to draw in a cat shape. We're just going to do a U, and then two little ears on either side, and then a little curve at the top. Really easy. And then we're going to draw in two eyes on either side, like so. And then we're going to actually color in the negative space, not touching the line. Watch the step before you move on. We're not going to touch the outside line or color it inside the ear. We're going to give it some white space, like so. It's like almost like a badge. Once you're done with that, we're going to draw in the little bows on each side. It's going to be a curve up like this. Back in, out, back to the badge. And repeat the other side. It's just almost like three fingers. You're going to go out, in, out. Yeah, super easy. And this one has some lines, so we're gonna actually, let's just draw in the lines. We don't have to make it exactly like the white ones. We're just gonna actually draw in black lines, like so, for the detail. Super easy. And once you're done with the bow, we're gonna draw in the rest of the outfit, the collar first. So for the collar, the inside of the collar, we're just going to draw a V shape, like so. And then a little button on the bottom. And then we're going to go in, out, down, in, out, down for the collar. And then we're going to do some lines across the collar. Angled up and angled down. I'll give you a few seconds to get that detail in before we move forward. With the collar done, we're going to actually draw in the rest of the outfit, which is going to just be these two lines to split the head from the outfit. And then we're going to draw in these white lines. And follow along for the white lines because it's a little tricky. I'm going to draw in two lines for each white line right next to each other, like so. So you see the white line in the middle? We're going to keep that as the white line and we're going to color in the rest. So just every few space we're going to draw in these double lines. All the way through the bottom of the outfit, like so. Oop, I went a little deep in that, so we just need to draw a light line on either side. And then with the white lines done, we're just gonna color in between each white line, pure black. This step is going to take long, so you can pause the video or just follow along. Once you're done with this step, we can move forward to the face. Almost done. And there you go. The white line outfit is done. And now let's move over to the face. It's just going to be a simple skeleton eye, like so, on one side and on the other side. And same thing with the outfit, it's pure black. So we just need to color it in all the way. And then all we need is the two nostrils. Really cute. And a little smile and stitches. And there you have it, a Jack Skellington drawing. We're just gonna add a little bit more color. There you have it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.